Hello again, you're already halfway done with building your driverless car and you've come a long way since the first video.
Yes, so now let's assemble and install our camera module on the expansion board. As per usual, make sure that you are on the right track and your kit should look like ours.
Follow us step by step and remember to pause or slow down the video if you need to.
So we'll break down this step into two simple parts for you to follow. Let's start!
Yay! This lesson will be teaching you how to assemble the camera module. First, insert the screws M1.7 x 10 with washer M2 x 5 x 0.3 on the camera plate. Then insert the two small plastic isolation columns, M2x3x1.9. Now, attach the camera module and insert the screws M1.7 x 10 into the corresponding holes on the camera module. Lock the screws with nuts M1.7 to complete the camera module and camera plate installation. Now, insert a screw M3x4 through the angle fixing frame. This part is a little tricky, so make sure you take your time. Pause the video if you need to. Attach the angle fixing frame to the camera fixing bracket and secure the screw M3x4 with the nut M3. Make sure you screw them tightly. Now, place two screws M3x8 on each side of the camera plate and insert large isolation plastic columns M3x7x2. Attach the assembled camera module to the camera fixing bracket and then secure it with two nuts M3. Now, install the Y plastic column M3.2 x 6.8 into the L-shaped bracket. And just like that. Attach the assembled camera angle fixing frame with the L-shaped bracket. Make sure the camera orientation is correct. The camera module connector must be on the bottom. Secure the assembled camera with screw, M3x16 and a nut M3. Now we're attaching the camera cable to the camera module through the hole. And as we install the assembled camera, attach the assembled camera into the acrylic camera frame using 4 screws, M3x6 and nuts, M3. Install the acrylic camera frame with the assembled camera on the expansion board and secure it with 4 nylon nuts, M2.5. And lastly, connect the camera cable to the USB 2.0 port on the VIA VTS 8456 mainboard. And you got this. Great job! Are you still with us? That's great. We're proud of you for making it through all the steps. We know it was quite a lot, so give yourself a pat on the shoulder for that.
Yes, exactly guys. So in this step, we learned how to assemble the camera module and install it on the expansion board. Then we have connected the camera on the main board through the USB port. Okay, very good. So in the next step, we will be installing the bumper of the driverless car.
So get excited and we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.